Here's Aubrey, and she uses Divi layouts to build a simple website where she can share some blog posts and have pages to showcase her services. On almost every page there's a contact and a booking form that we can enhance with Simply Schedule Appointments. To start, we need to have at least one appointment type already configured. We will use the first example, Schedule an Appointment. It's a 30-minute call with limited availability. We can then go back to the page list and edit the home page. Just click on Edit with Divi to go straight to the editor. The Divi editor is pretty easy to use. We can interact with all elements on the page and access their options. First, delete this contact form and add an appointment booking block. Click on the plus sign. Then we need to select the columns, and now we have access to the blocks. Appointment booking is at the top. If you click on it, a new pop-up will appear where you can select which appointment form you want to add. Let's select Schedule an Appointment. Don't forget to save by going to the icon at the bottom and then click Save. Now we have a much more eye-catching form with new ways to receive incoming contacts. We can do the same process and replace the Let's Chat form on the blog posts page. Just click Enable Visual Builder at the top bar so we can enter the Divi Builder and repeat the process we did earlier. The next step we can do is to adapt the styling of our forms. Fortunately, Simply Schedule Appointments has a global styling option, allowing us to change colors and fonts across all the booking forms we create. We'll use the same accent color as the theme and change the fonts to OpenSense. By customizing the colors and fonts of our forms, they seamlessly blend with the overall theme design, ensuring attention to detail and a professional look throughout the site. We have two more suggestions for using this set of layouts. We can create two separate pages for booking appointments, one for new clients and another for existing clients. For new clients, let's customize the consultation phone call appointment type. We can adjust the availability and capacity. The scheduling options also allow us to block a few minutes after each call, giving Aubrey time to take notes after each meeting. For web meetings, you can add your custom URL and you can create a custom field in our form to accept personalized messages. We can set the booking flow to Express and save the changes. Now, let's create the existing client's appointment form, where clients can schedule meetings to discuss their ongoing projects. We can set the meeting duration to 60 minutes. In the scheduling options dropdown, we can also block 15 minutes before each meeting to give Aubrey time to prepare. By adding a new custom field for customers to specify the focus of the meeting, it becomes easier to share relevant information before the meeting. Now, we just need to create the existing client's page using the same Divi layout pack. Start by creating a new page and launching the Divi Builder. Select Browse Layouts and search for Virtual Assistant. We choose the Virtual Assistant landing page layout and removed any blocks we didn't need. Finally, we added our new appointment booking form and updated the page title. Aubrey can now share this page exclusively with our clients, allowing them to easily book meetings. We hope you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.